Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Amazon Prime Video application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and in the search box type in Amazon Prime Video. In the search result, look for this application from Amazon Mobile LLC. Tap the download button to begin installing Prime Video application. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet so that you can download the application quicker. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch open Amazon Prime Video application on your iOS device. Go ahead and allow necessary permissions for the app and sign in with your Amazon account in the login page, or if you're new to Amazon, create a new Amazon account and get started. So that's how you can easily download Prime Video or Amazon Prime application on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next tutorial. Goodbye till then.